How about a 90s classic here at Unique Specialty in Classics? It's a 1996 Lincoln Town Car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 164,592 on the odometer at the moment. This is one of those cars, a lot of bang for the buck. You're looking for some cheaper transportation. Nice cruiser, here you go. 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood as we take a look at the grille, the front fascia. White with the blue vinyl top, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note that the AC will need some attention to blow cold, was in op. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Lincoln wheels. White wall radial tires, and those are date coded 25. So those are recent tires, good shape. Check out the still pictures. You're going to see the tread depth close up in the still pics. And it's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. Yeah, there's an imperfection here or there. I'll kind of point them out as we walk around. But overall, like I said, a little less expensive transportation. You're looking for something to haul some kids or some people around, here you go. Full-size sedan. It's kind of a split bench seat up front, cloth interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and of course Jason's going to take it for a drive at the end of the video, so stick around. Vinyl top looks like it's in nice shape. Here's a couple of those little spots. Notice there's a little imperfection. Does have some, I don't know if I can get them to show up, but I noticed in the rear deck lid, we'll look on the hood again too, but the rear deck lid, it's got a little bit of hail pingers on it, a little hail damage, but you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Again, one of those cars, get in, drive it, use it for cheap transportation. And again, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. This car spent the majority of its life in Iowa, and like I said, does have a clean Carfax. Few notes from the technician on this one. Like I said, newer tires, dated coded 25. Brakes are 70% in the front, 90% in the rear. Complete dual exhaust. Does have your typical powertrain weeps, which you're going to have in a car with this kind of miles. Rear window motors were in op, and the front sway bar links are a little loose, so a little heads up on those. But like I said, Jason's going to get in it, take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. If you like Lincolns, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. We'll go ahead. Wanted to show you the rear seating area also, so we'll unlock that door. Power door lock work on the driver's side door. Little wear spot over here in that door. Armrest. But it doesn't appear the seats are ripped or torn in the back. How about up front? Pretty good in the front ones also. All right, we're gonna check out the exact miles. There it is, 164,592. Airbag light went off, so there's no service light, check engine light indicators, except for washer fluid. Just clicked on, so that could either be low on washer fluid or it's a sensor. Top of the dash looks good. Electronic climate control. AM/FM cassette player in 96. Radio working. Pretty smooth runner. Take a look at the headliner. Headliner separating a little bit. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds as you'd expect, nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. Let's see, let me pop this hood, maybe I can get this one-handed. hood liner, and engine bay. There it is. Clean, tidy engine bay, considering year. Sounds good. Again, 4.6 liter, automatic with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC will need some attention. 1996 Lincoln Town Car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Looking for some cheap transportation that'll haul some people around with you? Here you go. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1996 Lincoln Town Car. Spacious interior in this car. Cloth seating, power adjustable multi-position seats. We have a digital dash. Even the fuel gauge is digital. Showing a little over a half of a tank. The temperature almost halfway up. I'm waiting for a couple cars here. Fuel tank even tells you how many gallons are in there. There's 11 gallons currently in the fuel tank. Luxury from 1996. An automatic, of course, shifted on the column makes it easy to drive. This has a lever which is meant to adjust how much power steering assist you're going to have. Very cool features. Speed control, which technically is cruise control. Now I just set that. I did not feel it kick in. Stereo sounds great. They put good quality speakers in this car. Not tested cassette, but FM is working well. Nice smooth ride. Luxurious ride from Lincoln. It's a car you can take for a nice long trip and not be uncomfortable the whole way. Plenty of power from the V8 engine. This really even corners quite nice. It doesn't lean that much in the corners for a large car. In 96, they were dialing it in pretty good with sway bars. There's that acceleration. Nice and quiet and smooth. Check out all the pictures of this 96 Lincoln Town Car at uniqueclassiccars.com.